Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're recapping 2024's biggest winners and losers in our portfolio. And let me tell you, there's a familiar face at the top of the leaderboard. A hot year on Wall Street. Despite some uncertainty in the economy and a fierce presidential election, the market had another strong year. The S&P 500 jumped 23.3%. The Dow climbed 12.9%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq soared 28.6%. Fueling these gains? Ongoing excitement around generative AI, the Federal Reserve's interest rate cuts, and Donald Trump's election victory. Our top 5 winners: NVIDIA, 171.2%. After tripling in 2023, NVIDIA did it again in 2024. Massive investment in AI infrastructure kept pushing demand for NVIDIA's cutting-edge chips. The anticipation for their upcoming Blackwell chip only added more fuel to the fire. Broadcom, 107.7%. This chipmaker ended the year with a bang. December was its best month ever, thanks to robust AI chip sales and bullish forecasts. Landing new hyperscale customers and showing off a strong outlook for 2025 gave investors plenty of reasons to cheer. Meta Platforms, 65.4%. The parent company of Instagram and Facebook reaped the rewards of its successful push into generative AI, which boosted user engagement and ad revenue across its platforms. CEO Mark Zuckerberg says AI is a game changer, and the market agrees. Amazon, 46.8%. Shares of Amazon were lifted by big tech momentum, solid e-commerce margins, and a still thriving cloud business. Quarterly reports continued to show why this company remains a long-term favorite. Wells Fargo, 42.7%. Even though it technically came in just outside the top 5, Wells Fargo surged on hopes that lower interest rates would boost its interest-based revenue. The bank also benefited from Trump's win, as investors anticipate less regulatory pressure. Plus, Wells Fargo's push to expand investment banking and capital markets has paid off. The biggest laggard's Nextracker, minus 22%. This solar stock sank on questions about its revenue backlog and the potential impact of a Trump administration less friendly to renewable energy. Even an upbeat earnings outlook couldn't lift shares out of the penalty box. Stanley Black & Decker, minus 18.2%, concern over tariff increases on products manufactured in China hit the toolmaker hard. High mortgage rates also hurt the brand, which many viewed as a housing recovery play. Management plans to raise prices and diversify its supply chain, but the market remains wary. AMD, minus 18.1%. Once trading above $200 in March, AMD couldn't keep pace with competitors like NVIDIA and Broadcom, who dominated the AI chip market. By year-end, we decided to exit our position. Constellation Brands, minus 8.6%. The Modelo and Corona brewer faced tariff worries linked to its Mexican imports. A weaker peso and a possible wine and spirits divestiture could turn things around, but so far investors remain cautious. Starbucks, minus 5%. The coffee giant was actually down about 20% at one point, but the surprise hiring of Brian Niccol, formerly of Chipotle, helped the stock recover. Still, as the year ended, shares slumped once again, so Niccol will have his hands full trying to revive U.S. sales and fend off competition in China. That's the rundown, folks! If you enjoyed this breakdown of 2024's best and worst performers, or if you're looking for more insights on where the market might be headed next, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.